Hey everybody, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in to another video of One Tool a Week, guy. If you're new to the channel, we take a look at tools every week. So if you love tools, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What is it that we're going to be taking a look at this week? Well, this week I went ahead and purchased this puppy right here. This is going to be the Milwaukee Rover Lite M18, and this is going to be model number 2359-20, and it's going to be the compact folding floodlight with USB charger, which is very nice. Let's go ahead. This is going to be the case. As you can tell, I already opened it up. That way I won't be struggling. And this is going to be the back, and it's also going to have its true view colors. That way you can see more color, distinct. And let's go ahead and open this puppy up. So this is what you're going to get. The instructions right there, and of course some paper at the bottom for Milwaukee. Let's go ahead and throw this baby on that. And this is going to be it. Now, it's not going to have any battery or anything on there. This is going to be the set. So let's go ahead and slap on a battery. So this is going to be a small little 2.0 battery, just to show you for an example. Now there's going to be 4 light settings, but first of all, it's going to be an IP54, and it's also going to be impact resistant. Now the major thing that's very different about it, and we'll get to the light right now, is these ports right here. This is a very nice feature that I like to have, especially for all you preppers or people that aren't in the industry. You get to have a USB charger. So you go ahead and click it and it's gonna light up. And after that, you're gonna have a USB-C port, as you could see on there, and then on the other side you're gonna have a regular USB. So you're gonna have a regular USB and USB-C, and depending on what battery you're able to hold charge, you're gonna go ahead and click it and it's gonna be off. You're gonna have a nice stud. If you want to hang it on a stud, a beam, anything of that sort, you're able to. And in the back, it's going to be your light settings. So first of all, you're gonna have your light right here. It's able to rotate around, and that way you could have it. And there's going to be 4 different settings. So let's go ahead and click it on. You can see the brightness. The first setting is going to be 1000 lumens, and it's going to be for 12 hours that it's going to hold. After that, it's going to be the next setting, which is going to be 500 lumens, and that's going to be about 22 hours with a 5.0 battery on both of them. Just a heads up. The next one is going to be, let's go ahead and click it. The next one's going to be 250 lumens, and it's going to be for 42 hours. And last but not least, it's the lowest setting, and that's going to be 85 lumens, and that is going to be for up to 110 hours. So everybody that likes to go camping, you're able to have it. And again, you're able to set it anywhere you want, and then after that you can turn it, rotate it, and also the compactivity of it is very nice. It's just nice to have something like this. I have my inverter. If they're able to incorporate, and if you're listening, Milwaukee, pay attention. If you're able to incorporate an inverter with a light, you have a winner. I would be carrying that with me all the time. This is just going to serve as my light for now. And then as well, I have separated the inverter, which is the small little package. That way you can run a 120 plug, anything like that. So let me know what y'all think in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching One Tool a Week, guy.